Welcome back to Market on Close. I'm Sam Vadas at the New York Stock Exchange. So we've got some final thoughts on today's session and really the week, because we started the week with markets on edge about a thought piece written by Citrini, which laid out a scenario where AI could lead to unemployment at 10% and a sharp drawdown in the S&P 500. Now, while some came out and said that this was fear-mongering, fast forward to the end of the week today, and the market is now questioning whether that essay is starting to come true. It came after Block announced it would be cutting nearly half of its workforce, citing artificial intelligence. And what did we see? A big jump in the stock. Now, while that's just one company, markets are already on edge about whether AI is coming for jobs. Some companies have pushed back on that idea, like the Intuit CEO, which talked about how much of a liability is to get things wrong. So they are marrying technology with human expertise. Nevertheless, software companies have sold off hard on the disruption fears, investors shooting first and asking questions later as they try to decipher which company is immune and which one is vulnerable. But there are also concerns about the funding. CoreWeave stock was punished today as its CapEx plans overshadowed great sales. The CEO reassuring the market today, saying the demand is there. But there are also broader credit risk concerns in this market. The collapse of a British mortgage provider, Market Financial Solutions, becoming the latest story, adding to those fears. And it came after Jamie Dimon says he's seeing people doing dumb things and starting to see pre-financial crisis parallels. So a lot to think about as we head into this weekend. As for next week, it's the start of a fresh month. Technology and consumer earnings will remain in focus. In tech, we'll hear from the likes of Broadcom, CrowdStrike, Marvell, and some of those quantum computing names as well. On the consumer front, we'll get reports from Costco, Target, Abercrombie, and Norwegian. We'll also hear from some of the Chinese companies like tech giants Alibaba and JD.com. Now, on the macro front, we'll also be getting some manufacturing and services PMI and the jobs data. That's ADP and, of course, jobs on Friday. That's going to be critical in light of recent layoffs, just at a time when that data has been showing signs of stabilization. Now, China will also start its annual meeting of Parliament, which is closely watched by the market, as that's where officials announce their growth targets for the year and lay out the economic roadmap for the next 12 months. So plenty to watch into the weekend and next week. That's going to do it here on Market on Close. On behalf of my co-host Marley Caden, who wasn't with us today but was all week, and me, Sam Vadas.